welcome. I'm right here, right now, at the Fort Siloso. I thought I'd check out one of the 3 new Sentosa Heritage Trail. So right behind me is the Fort Siloso Skywalk. This marks the starting location of the Forts Trail. So it should be pretty exciting, plenty of walking, and basically we'll be checking out the defensive position back in the days where the British Army were defending Singapore. So prepare your insect repellents, tighten your shoelace, because here we go. You know, Fort Siloso has always been a very interesting place for me. Why? Because every time I come here, okay, this is me being serious. Every time I come here, there is always a sense of, I don't know, a sense of sadness, that will overflow me. I don't know, maybe this used to be the location whereby the British Army actually fought to the death in a way to defend Singapore. So I always approach this place with a sense of respect. So now with that out of the way, let's continue on our way.
Crew is choosing targets and directing the fire of the guns. The enemy hasn't come by sea as we thought, so they're firing on the oil installations on Pulau Bukom to make sure the enemy doesn't get them. Observe fire. Hit on oil installation. Continue firing on Pleasant Range and Berry. Continue firing on Pleasant Range and Berry. Right, you lot. There's no time to hang about. Our job is to support that 6-inch gun emplacement. Go down the steps as quick as you can now.
Okay, there's supposed to be a show that is about 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm not sure I want to sit in there and watch a show for 15 to 20 minutes. So let's get on to another location. This is the surrender chamber, by the way. I think the video is about when the Japanese surrender after the atomic bomb. So I think this show is about that. But I think we all know the history, and yeah, like I said, I don't think I want to sit down there for 15 to 20 minutes. So onwards. Alright, that is going to be it for today's video. It is really a short walk. It's supposed to be 4 kilometers. I don't think it feels like 4 kilometers, but maybe it's because of the twisting and turning around. Sentosa is not a big place, by the way, but I think this heritage trail is well designed. So a lot of old buildings, they convert it into a gallery, and all the big cannons. So they managed to preserve a lot of big cannons. So I think a lot of all those cannons that I showed in the video earlier, a lot of them are real. But I think the still a good number of them are just construction, so fake cannon. All right, that's going to be it. Catch you guys on the next video.